I'm here with my Dash mini toaster oven and some mini English muffins. Let's see how well they toast in this mini toaster oven. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Here are my mini English muffins. I just cut them in half, so here's one half, here's the other half, and I'm hoping all 4 halves will fit in the toaster oven at the same time. These are Wolferman's San Francisco style sourdough mini English muffins. These have been in my freezer for a while. Let's see what happens when we try to toast these in the toaster oven. Here's my Dash toaster oven. And let's see, will they fit? Oh, it looks like they will fit. Yeah, they fit perfectly. So there's the mini English muffins in the toaster oven. And I'm going to toast these for about 2.5 minutes. Okay, it's been 2.5 minutes now. And these really don't look like they're toasting at all. I should say these were in my refrigerator, so they are not frozen. They're just very cold from the refrigerator, so let's give them another 2 minutes. It's been another 2 minutes. Let's see what's going on now. They're starting to toast up a little bit. Take a look at the bottom. Bottom is not getting too brown or anything, so that's good. Let's do another 2 minutes. It's been another 2 minutes. This is what they look like. They're a nice golden brown. I would definitely be happy with these how they are right now, but let's see what happens if we put them in another 3 minutes. Let's see if they'll get much darker. It's been another 3 minutes. Let's see what's going on here. These look like they are definitely done. They're very crispy. And this is what the English muffins look like. They look like they're perfectly toasted. It took quite a while to get them this toasted. I would say almost 10 minutes. That's what the bottom looks like. I don't know if it's because of what these English muffins are made of or just the fact that they were in my refrigerator, so they were quite cold. But it did take a while, but they do fit perfectly in this mini toaster oven. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.